Alright guys, thanks for stopping back by, I appreciate it. Just want to give you a warning, I did forget to record a video at work today. After I left work, I was at the stoplight and I was like, I forgot to record a video today, and I was like, I ain't going back. So I'm just going to show you guys, or tell you guys a few things I did. Basically, I didn't realize there were so many more exit signs at work, so for the most part of the day I was finishing the rest of the exit signs that were available. So I think all the exit signs are up now except for the ceilings that aren't up. So there should be 2 or 3 more rooms that they're putting the ceiling in still. So I did exit signs, and then after that, so after the exit signs, I went into the hallway and moved the power for the spider box. So it was nice. I went outside and turned off the power, and then went back inside and then just opened up the junction box, disconnected the wires. I'll show you guys a picture. I took a picture only for the fact that to make sure that I rewired it the same way that it was put together in the first place. So if someone's gonna get mad about me taking a picture at work to do work, then fire me. Here's the picture, and basically what I did was opened up the top of the junction box, unwire nutted it, and then I took off the lock nuts, and then took off the reducing washers, pulled the wire out, or the plastic flex. Then I pushed that through the wall so they could finish sheetrocking, because the power was coming up through the concrete on the other side of the wall. So I just pushed that back out and then moved the spider box to the other side of the wall, so that way they could finish putting the sheetrock up, because it was all sheetrocked except for where the wire was going through and the spider box was chained to the wall. So yeah, so then I just took the junction box to the other side and then basically did the steps in the opposite order. Just put the reducing washer back on, connect the wire to the box, put the other 2 reducing washers back on, put the lock nuts back on, and then rewire nut the wires to the colors that they were in the first place. And then I went and turned the power back on, made sure it was hot before I put the cover back on, and then hooked up the spider box, and then plugged all the outlets and stuff back in so everyone can have their power. And then for the rest of the day, just threw away garbage and opened up some lights, some more ceiling lights, and I didn't get a chance to hang any lights or make up any lights yet, so that will probably be Monday if I'm back at that job site. I'm not sure, so I'll have to figure out where I'm working on Monday. So that was my day, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Sorry I didn't get any footage at the job site after work, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great weekend. That's about all I got for today's video. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it would greatly help me out. I'd appreciate it, and hopefully get to know you guys in the comment section. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.